Okay, good morning everybody. Today we're going to be adding some big numbers up. We're going to be using 3-digit numbers by the place value and the regrouping. So I want you guys to look really quick at the board here and see that we have a problem of 428 plus 384. I want you guys to speak with a partner next to you and to discuss what strategies you can combine to get these numbers quickly, the answers quickly, and then what strategy would you try first. So go ahead and quietly discuss with your partner, and then I will pick a couple people to give me a response. Okay, so I'm gonna pick some people and you can let me know what you think your answer will be. Go ahead.
Stacking numbers.
Stacking numbers, okay, that's a good one. And you?
Base 10 blocks.
Base 10 blocks? Okay, so those are both really great ideas. We're going to explore how place value helps us add numbers and even when we need to regroup. So before we jump into this problem, let's just take a look at this place value chart. Remember that each digit belongs in a place. So we start with here, we have the hundreds, we have the tens, and we have the ones. We're going to add them up, and if we end up with more than 9 in one place, that's when we'll need to regroup. Okay? So here's how the lesson will go. I'm going to now model for you 3 digits with addition. And then we're going to have 3 regrouping with the base 10 blocks. So we'll start by looking at the problem we have of 428 plus 384. I'm going to start by representing these numbers using my base 10 blocks. And I'll show 428 by dragging over 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. So 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. We're going to drag those over now. All right, perfect. So then I'll represent this bottom number, 384, by dragging over 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 4 ones. Okay, now that I have all of my base blocks in place, I'll start with the ones place first. The ones here. I'll add the ones and I'll have the ones in the one place. It looks like in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 in total. I'll move 10 of those into my regrouping box over here at the top, and I'll add the tens in my tens place. Right over there, perfect. Now, the 2 that will remain in the ones box, we're gonna write at the bottom here, 2 ones. Next, we will count the 10 stripes here. I have 11 tens in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Since I have more than 10, I need to regroup them as 100. So in the regroup box, I'll move 10 tens up to the regroup box. I'll then move the 100 over to the hundreds place to show the tens regrouped as 100. I now have 1 10 in my tens place, so we will write 1 tens at the bottom. I'll then count my hundreds I have in the hundreds place. I have 8 hundreds in total. So I'll write at the bottom 8 hundreds. The total is now showing 812 as my answer. Now that our tens is in the tens block and everything is solved, we're going to do it here with the standard algorithm. So 8 plus 4, all right, so first, 8 plus 4 equals 12. Then you have to write the 2 at the bottom and you carry the 1 at the top. Then, two plus 8 with 1 equals 11. So 1 plus 2 plus 8 equals 11. Since that's also more than 10, we'll write the 1 and carry the 1 over here to the next number. All right, so that means 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. So our total shows 812 to match the blocks here that show 812. Using the strategy that we used, you will complete 10 problems on your own now. 5 will need regrouping and 5 will not. So do your best to show your work, and if you're stuck, think about the place value to guide you. Ones always go first, then the tens, then the hundreds. Go slow and raise your hand if you have any questions. You may work with one partner directly next to you.